Hello Triple Crew, it's ibyl, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all my first retightening of 2018. As you can see, I kept my braided spiral curls that I had unbraided. I kept those in, and my loctician was able to still retighten my hair. I probably won't do that again though. I know she's retightened my hair before with a braid out, but in addition to the braid out and the curls, as you can see, having to pull the hair each strand apart, that was a task, but nonetheless she still did a good job of cleaning up my grid, and this is how it's looking. Let me see, what do I have to report about my hair? I'm probably going to wear these curls a few more days because it's time for me to wash my hair, but I wanted to rock it more than just the one day I had before time for my retightening. So I just tried to stretch it as long as I could. If you've been following me on my other social media accounts, you see what my hair is looking like now. Because this video will be uploaded several days after it's filmed. I am about 2.5 months away from my 9th lockaversary, which is exciting. Like, it's really been almost 9 years. The length still surprises me each day. And I really have been enjoying this curly braid out. I hope it's been inspiration for each one of you who's been tuning into my videos. The rest of this footage is me playing with my my hair, which I do quite a bit, and some pictures. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to keep it fly, keep it fabulous, and I will see your beautiful faces in the next video. Peace.